This is Dr. Mopar's High Performance. Some of our followers out there in the Never Lift Syndicate wondered what's a way to make a template for porting on either your Apache heads or your Gen 3 Hemi Eagle heads. And when you have a plastic intake, one of the easiest methods to do, get some of this right here, some poster board. Don't use the shiny side of the poster board, use the other side. I'll spray this down real quick, and just have to bear with me because I'm doing it with one hand, using the phone to record, and then I'll show you how to make the template. So spray a good amount, don't let it dry. Get a little bit more on the end there. Oh my God, he made my plastic intake blue. Set that on there. Alright, gonna pause for a second, just shortly, but I'll try to show you how the start of it. You're basically just doing a rubbing, transferring the pattern on there. But I'm going to pause it for a second, come back, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, there you go. All you got to do is take a X-Acto knife, hobby knife, razor blade, cut these out. And a lot of guys on these intakes, they want to hog the shit out of them. And you know, as you can see, yeah, you have some material here that you can remove, but the biggest thing is the Gen 3 Hemi heads flow as good as they do. You know, what we typically recommend on the intake, if you're wanting to do anything on there, is one, clean them up good, and any type of casting deformities in the plastic, you know, get rid of that, cast and flash, things of that nature. But you know, really it's just smoothing everything up and you know, making it flow the way that it needs to. That's just a little tip for you. Good luck on your porting and polishing if it's your first time doing it. As you've probably seen from our posts, we do several Gen 3 Hemis on porting and polish. We get asked a lot of times to do that on builds, and we incorporate it on builds, anything that's getting cam upgrade, headers, things like that. Since we pull the heads anyways to do the header installs, we go ahead and add port and polish on as part of our progress to get to their horsepower goals. But it's part of the process for the Outlaw port and polish, hand port and polish work that we do on the Gen 3 Hemi Eagle heads. Pause it here, and I'll go back to another set of heads that we're fixing to do some work on. Hold on one second. Alright, since we're talking about the intake side of things, these have just got a start done to them. Still a lot more to go. But take care guys, see you on the next Gen 3 Hemi project.